Knowing the maximum sample volume can help ensure the centrifuge meets experimental demands. Maximum sample volume, typical capacity, volume. Most micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuges can handle up to 24x 1.5 milliliters microtubs. Importance: suitable for small volume samples commonly used in molecular biology and biochemistry. Expanded capacity, volume. Some models may accommodate larger tubes or a higher number of microtubs, up to 2 milliliters or even 5 milliliters. Importance: useful for experiments requiring larger sample volumes or higher throughput. Rotor compatibility, variety. Different rotors allow for various tube sizes and configurations. Importance: flexibility to meet different experimental needs. Specialized rotor options, types: fixed angle rotors, swinging bucket rotors, and multi-tube adapters. Importance: tailored to specific sample types and volumes. Capacity limitations, considerations: balancing the load and ensuring the centrifuge can safely handle the total weight of the samples. Importance: prevents damage and ensures consistent performance. Understanding the maximum sample volume is crucial for selecting a micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuge that meets the specific requirements of your experiments. To learn more about our range of micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding maximum sample volume, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.